So guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, another mystery unboxing. So these are the packages I purchased in eBay. So why a secret? Because I don't know what's inside. So let's unbox this and let's be surprised. Yan. So I selected this package. So okay. Like on my last vlog, so I've selected the bigger boxes. So it's unboxing time. Let's unbox it later. So the other content. Wow.
Oh, what the heck?
Wow.
What the heck?
Actually, I was very surprised.
Oh, there's a bunch of Play-Dohs. There's a bunch of Play-Dohs.
I was surprised that there's again, this is from Play-Doh Kenner. So this is the Play-Doh Dobot. This is the robot of robot from Play-Doh. So that's why it's called Dobot. You get it, guys? Play-Doh plus robot. Dobot. So here, actually, I'm surprised there's still a box. I thought there's no more box. So as you can see, okay, you can trim the clay from his hand. So actually, there's a lot of cutters from his hand, as well as there's also a molder on his belly part. The belly part of the robot. So later we're gonna open this. So this is from Kenner. So Play-Doh from Kenner. And it also indicates it's from can you see it, guys? Play School. So it says the awesome robot factory. So just like Fun Factory, but this time it's
here
in a robot form.
Yeah.
So you like it, Kalel? So this is Play-Doh Dobot. So later we're gonna open the Play-Doh Movie Theater Snack Center and the Dobot, which is the Play-Doh robot. Oh, you hold it. So guys, let's open the Play-Doh. Okay, let's start with later. Let's start with the Dobot.
Dobot Play-Doh.
Dobot Play-Doh, which is the robot Play-Doh. So
And there's a screen there on the robot. Whoa, this is sick. I'm so happy.
Inside there's the robot with no head. So let's place I think this is the arm. The arm, which can also be extract the clay. How do you put this? Let's place the robot first. So wait, Kalel. So Kalel put the head of the robot. So let's place the grenade launcher. Push. The grenade launcher. Kalel, wait. So how do you do this, Kalel?
Wait. Like that.
Place the.
Go.
You show it to the audience.
Arang sa robot yung says
Why it does not fit?
Wait, is that the drawer?
That's not a drawer, that's the tummy of the robot.
It's a tummy. Bro.
Hey, wait. So we need to place the.
This is the robot
Is this the?
Tommy.
I'm not sure if this is the hand. So the tummy is also a molder. Oh, show it to the audience. So the tummy is also a molder. So you place it here. So you place. Okay, you can also place a clay here. So I put it. Put it inside.
Guys, that's so heavy.
That's it.
Here. Go. Maybe I'll fit.
It will not fit.
It's too big. It's too big.
No, I think it's the other side.
Maybe you fit. No, it's not fit. Maybe you like that upside down. Upside down.
So somehow it will fit.
Maybe like that. Like that's supposed to be. Nope, baliktad.
You place it. So what else? So there's also a spare. So a molder also. Let's place it here.
There's other molder.
No, wait. Ano? Wait. I think we can have it. Just like
Oh.
so it still would not fit.
Still not fit to be.
I wonder how will it still fit. And then we also got the another, just like in Fun Factory, you've also got the extractor. So you place the extractor, I think here.
No. Here. In the back.
In the back. Oh, show it to the you place the extractor here, as my nephew said.
Okay. It's fit. Ooh.
Okay, just like that. And then you're gonna place the clay here. You're gonna place the clay here as a rocket launcher. So we need to place the hand in here. Somehow in here.
Maybe here? No?
Let's just say that it fits here. Oh wait, you show it to this.
What's the other arm?
So the robot is like this. Actually, I've also ordered the other part in here. So just wait, I'm gonna unpack it later or on the next vlog. So on my next vlog, this Dough-bot will finally be complete. Yes! So for now, this is the Play-Doh robot or Dough-bot.
Here.
Yay!